Come and see world's only longhorn cattle drive, experience Texas heritage and culture, adventurous rodeo and bullfighting only at Fort Worth Stockyard, the historic district of Fort Worth City of Texas. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of Travel Days with Shelly. So, we entered into the historic district of Texas, Fort Worth City, the Fort Worth Stockyard, where you will experience the true cowboy culture of Texas along with many activities. So, in Fort Worth Stockyard, you will get many parking options, including free as well as paid parking. And first time I saw these mounted horse policemen here. So Fort Worth Stockyard is famous for its world's longhorn cattle and its only one of a kind longhorn cattle drive which occurs every day two times in a day 11:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. At Fort Worth Stockyard, there are lots of things to do for shopping and entertainment as well. Next, we went to Stockyard Station, where you can shop for Texas or cowboy style hats, souvenirs, gifts, also lots of clothing, boots, and footwear as well. This was a street which also has a railway track in middle, and also there was a live gunfight show act for all the tourists which we saw on this street.
Yeah.
Well, it's time to let it go. Folks, I have to go to the outhouse. I'll be right back.
Hold it right there. Right now. Stop.
Also, we saw these taxidermy or stuffed animal heads, unique paintings, and look at these animals in this shop. They are looking very. Fort Worth Stockyard is full of amazing restaurants, but being a vegetarian, we have to search for our options. And then we took some small snack breaks with potato chips and cheesy mozzarella sticks. And the restaurant was also showcasing its Fort Worth Stockyard culture as well. After Stockyard Station, it was time for our ultimate bullfighter show, which we reserved for that day. And yes, I must say that if you are visiting Stockyard, then this is one of the must thing to do in Fort Worth Stockyard. Watching all these bullfighters with these bulls was very thrilling. From kids to adult, Fort Worth Stockyard has so many activities to do. You can do the wooden maze, mechanical bull riding, horse riding, and kids can enjoy in this cute little train. Also, the people who are coming to Texas and want to see the unique culture of Texas and looking for good places to visit near Dallas as well can visit Fort Worth and Fort Worth Stockyard district. Stockyard is not just historic, it has many famous restaurants, hotels, shops, and bars as well. One of the famous bar and entertainment club is Billy Bob in Fort Worth Stockyard. Billy Bob has more than 30 bar station, real bull ring, dance floor and country's music's biggest star. That's why Billy Bob is also known as world's largest honky tonk. The entertainers who has performed at Billy Bob leaves a concrete impression displayed on the wall of fame as we can see here. So after visiting Billy Bob, we had some delicious Mediterranean cuisine while coming back and completed our tour of Fort Worth Stockyard. Hope you all liked this video, and if you like this video please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.